Audi has announced the presentation of its new futuristic concept Grandsphere. The launch of the Audi Grandsphere was just a couple of weeks after the presentation of the similarly innovative Skysphere Concept. While the Audi Skysphere was an elegant two-door sports car with a scalable wheelbase, the Grandsphere Concept will be a four-door, designed as a potential replacement for the current Audi A8. Teasers of the Audi Grandsphere prompt an unusual body length and a set of four giant suicide doors. Like the Skysphere Concept, the Grandsphere Concept will have autopilot with the steering wheel and pedals folding into the dashboard when passengers decide to have some fun on the road instead of driving. Despite the impressive size of the concept, the Audi Grandsphere Concept's interior space is occupied by a pair of front seats with the ability to move around the cabin on rails, as well as a rear sofa. The first teasers of the car do not show any screens, which is so usual for the actual novelties. The exterior design of the Audi Grandsphere Concept is just as striking as that of the Skysphere. It looks like the car will try on the same thin and angular LED headlights, massive wheels, and dynamic roofline. At the back, there will be thin LED lights in the form of a full-width light bar. All concepts of Audi's Sphere series are based on the new Artemis platform for electric cars. The futuristic prototype will be shown live at the Motor Show in Munich. And suddenly the car will not remain in prototype status. The production version will debut in 2025. The powerplant Grandsphere has two electric motors, one on the front axle and the other on the rear. The total power reaches 721 horsepower, and the maximum torque is 960 Nm. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour takes just over 4 seconds. Audi did not say the exact figure. On a single charge, it is possible to drive 750 kilometers, after which it takes only 25 minutes to replenish the energy reserve by 75%. Audi compares the show car to a private jet. They say Grandsphere has a similar level of comfort and onboard technology. Autonomy reaches the penultimate fourth level, that is, the driver can rest during the trip and do any other things, but if necessary, the steering wheel and pedals are extended, so a person takes control of the car. The fifth level autopilot has no controls at all.